मैं सिर्फ अपने आत्मसम्मान के लिए खड़ा हुआ हूँ। आई स्टूड अप ओनली फॉर माई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट। आई स्टूड अप ओनली फॉर माई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट। तुम्हारी खामोशी बहुत कुछ कहती है। योर साइलेंस सेज अ लॉट। योर साइलेंस सेज अ लॉट। कोई देखे या ना देखे, मैं अपना काम करता रहूँगा। वेदर समवन सीज इट और नॉट, I'll keep doing my work. Whether someone sees it or not, I will keep doing my work. ये मत समझना कि मैं डर गया हूँ। Don't think that I am afraid. Do not think that I am afraid. मैंने जो खोया है उसकी कोई भरपाई नहीं हो सकती। What I have lost cannot be compensated. What I have lost cannot be compensated. मेरे इरादे कभी गलत नहीं थे। My intentions were never wrong. My intentions were never wrong. मैं अपने असूलों से समझौता नहीं कर सकता। I can't compromise on my principles. I can't compromise on my principles. मैंने रात को पढ़ाई की ताकि सुबह दोहराना ना पड़े। I studied at night so I wouldn't have to revise in the morning. I studied at night so I would not have to revise in the morning. मैंने उसे समझाया ताकि वो गलती दोबारा ना करे। I explained to him so he wouldn't repeat the mistake. I explained to him so he would not repeat the mistake. वो तैयारी कर रहा था ताकि समय बर्बाद ना हो। He was preparing so time wouldn't be wasted. He was preparing so time would not be wasted. मैंने काम खत्म किया ताकि छुट्टी पर जा सकूं। I finished the work so I could go on leave. I finished the work so I could go on leave. मैंने बहुत मेहनत की ताकि इंटरव्यू में चयन हो सके। I worked hard so I could get selected in the interview. I worked hard so I could get selected in the interview. हमने होटल बुक किया ताकि रात को कोई परेशानी ना हो। We booked a hotel so we wouldn't face issues at night. We booked a hotel so we wouldn't face issues at night. उसकी मदद के बिना हम अधूरे हैं। Without his help we are incomplete. Without his help we are incomplete. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि तुम ऐसा करोगे। I never thought you would do something like this. I never thought you would do something like this. उसका व्यवहार पिछले कुछ दिनों से अजीब है। His behavior has been strange for the past few days. His behavior has been strange for the past few days. हमेशा दूसरों की गलती ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop always looking for others' faults. Stop always looking for others' faults. तुम्हें जो लगता है ज़रूरी नहीं कि वही सही हो। What you think is not necessarily right. What you think is not necessarily right. मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब वो लौटेगा। I don't think he will return now. I do not think he will return now. मैं नहीं जानता कि वो अब किस हाल में है। I don't know what condition he is in now. I don't know what condition he is in now. अब वो इंसान पहले जैसा नहीं रहा। He is no longer the person he once was. He is no longer the person he once was. उसका दर्द छिपा हुआ था पर मैं महसूस कर सकता था. Her pain was hidden but I could feel it. Her pain was hidden but I could feel it. तुम जिसे अपना समझते हो वही सबसे दूर हो जाता है. The one you consider your own ends up being the most distant. The one you consider your own ends up being the most distant. मैंने जो देखा वो शब्दों में बयान नहीं किया जा सकता. What I saw can't be described in words. What I saw can't be described in words. वो अब उस शहर में नहीं रहती जहां तुम जा रहे हो. She no longer lives in the city you are going to. She no longer lives in the city you are going to. मुझे उम्मीद थी कि तुम कम से कम सुन तो लोगे. I had hoped you would at least listen. I had hoped you would at least listen. तुम्हारी बातें अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आती. I no longer understand what you are saying. I no longer understand what you are saying. हर बार मैं ही क्यों समझौता करूं? Why should I be the one to compromise every time? Why should I be the one to compromise every time? अगर उसे पैसे चाहिए तो मैं मदद कर सकता हूँ. If he needs money, I can help. If he needs money, I can help. जो लोग वक्त पर साथ नहीं देते उन्हें भूल जाना चाहिए. Those who don't stand by you in time should be forgotten. Those who do not stand by you in time should be forgotten. तुम्हारे सवालों के जवाब मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't have answers to your questions. I do not have answers to your questions. अब बहस करने में कोई फायदा नहीं. There is no point in arguing now. There is no point in arguing now. तुम्हारे पास जो है उसी की कदर करो. Appreciate what you have. Appreciate what you have. वो बार बार वही गलती करता है. He keeps making the same mistake again and again. He keeps making the same mistake again and again. तुम जो सोच रही हो वो वैसा नहीं है. What you are thinking is not how it really is. What you are thinking is not how it really is. कुछ लोग सिर्फ इसलिए वापस आते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास और कोई नहीं होता. Some people return only because they have no one else. Some people return only because they have no one else. उसका जवाब सुनकर मुझे अजीब लगा. I felt strange after hearing her reply. I felt strange after hearing her reply. जिसने मुझसे वादा किया था वही सबसे पहले गया. The one who promised me left first. The one who promised me left first. मैं अब किसी पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकता. I can't trust anyone anymore. I can't trust anyone anymore. उसकी आंखों में एक गहराई थी जिसे मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया. There was a depth in her eyes I couldn't read. There was a depth in her eyes I could not read. मैं परसों घर पर ही था, कहीं गया नहीं. I was home the day before yesterday. didn't go anywhere. I was home the day before yesterday, didn't go anywhere. वो वहाँ गया था ताकि सच्चाई जान सके. He went there to find out the truth. He went there to find out the truth. हमने पहले से टिकट बुक कर लिया ताकि आखिरी समय में परेशानी ना हो. We booked tickets in advance to avoid last minute hustle. We booked tickets in advance to avoid last minute hustle. मैंने नोट्स बनाए ताकि परीक्षा के समय आसानी हो. I made notes to make exam time easier. I made notes to make exam time easier. वो मेहनत कर रही थी ताकि अपने परिवार को गर्व महसूस करा सके. She was working hard to make her family proud. She was working hard to make her family proud. मैंने खाना जल्दी बना लिया ताकि समय पर निकल सकूं. I cooked early so I could leave on time. I cooked early so I could leave on time. मैंने तुमसे कभी कुछ नहीं मांगा. I never asked you for anything. I never asked you for anything. मुझे कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I have no regrets. I have no regrets. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ त्याग दिया. I gave up everything for you. I gave up everything for you. कभी कभी अपनों से भी दूर जाना पड़ता है. Sometimes we must distance ourselves even from our own. Sometimes we must distance ourselves even from our own. मैंने अपने हिस्से की तकलीफ चुपचाप सह ली. I silently endured my share of pain. I silently endured my share of pain. मैं इस घर से तब तक नहीं जाऊंगा जब तक सब ठीक नहीं हो जाए. I won't leave this house until everything is fine. I will not leave this house until everything is fine. तुम्हारी बातें मुझे चुभ गई. Your words hurt me deeply. Your words hurt me deeply. हर दिवाली को वो लक्ष्मी पूजन करता है. He performs Lakshmi worship every Diwali. He performs Lakshmi worship every Diwali. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.